Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get verified on SoundCloud application, sorry, website. So first of all, of course, all you're going to do is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So for me, in my case, of course, I'm using here Brave browser, but of course for you, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Then, of course, all you need to do, just go and type SoundCloud and hit the enter button. Of course, here you would like just to click at the first link, of course, or the first website, and this will actually take you into this page. So first of all, of course, before start using the SoundCloud application, you would like to go and log into your account, right? But if you don't have an account, or don't panic or anything, all you need to do, just go and create your account and you'll be good to start. After creating your account, just log into it, and that will actually be your home or your main screen. Of course, it depends on your songs that you recently played or what you could possibly like. So as we said, if you would like to get verification on SoundCloud, all you need to do, just head up to your settings by clicking at the three dots here at the top right corner, then click at settings. So of course from here, make sure you are at the account settings, not at any other settings, and then you would like to scroll down a bit. And from here, as you can see, we have the verification badge. So of course, when you click at request verification, as you can see, you are eligible to apply for verification at this time. And make sure to read all of that. Make sure to read this carefully, because it's actually important for you. If you want to get verification, you make sure to read the term of use as well. And of course, you will just would like to add the name of artist or band or even group your profile represents. Then of course, if you want to add some additional links, you will be able to do that by clicking here and add your link. So of course, after you do all of that, all you need to do, just click at submit and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.